Hey guys, we're back with a new video. I know we haven't been on here for so long, and it's because when this quarantine started, like back in March, whatever, I did end up getting sick, so I wasn't filming because I was sick, but we're back. So yeah guys, follow me around. I'm going to clean the house because it's a mess, and you'll see what we do in our day now that we are home all the time and can't go out. But you know what? It's for our own good and we have to do it, so we're staying in like you guys should too. So yeah, enjoy our video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Bye.
Not bye. Say keep watching.
Hi, that's my name, Gagu.
His name is Gagu, guys. So yeah, follow me around.
It's raining outside.
Yes guys, and it's raining outside. Do you hear that thundering? Hold on, I'll show you guys. Look at this. Well, look at, don't mind the tape. But I don't know if you can see, but do you see how gloomy that is? It's like crazy. Yeah, guys, don't mind my ugly, disgusting window. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So guys, this house is a freaking mess. But look at it. I cleaned the table. I have to go to the laundry. I have the other bag in the room. I finally can see my floor again. This is a mess. Don't even look at it though. And here. Oh, she's tired. Look at that baby. And Aliyah, you can't sleep. It's 7. Hi. Hi, my kitty pie. Yeah, she wants to go sleep, but she can't sleep because then she'll wake up like at 10 or 11. She won't sleep again until like 2. Oh, who came?
This came.
Oh, hi, amor. Look at my kitchen, guys. I finally washed all the dishes. There were so many. I cleaned that, but I can't get the rest of the stains out. I don't know. I don't know why. And obviously my floor. Stove. I like it when it's clean. I can't get those stains out. If you know how, let me know. And then I cleaned this. I'm gonna make pasta. Yeah, guys. I cleaned. It took me all day, but I did it. How do you take off stains from the wall? Let me know. He's so cute. She fell asleep. Oh my god, I have so much laundry. Somebody help me. Yeah, that's what I cleaned. Okay guys, this is what I'm making for dinner for my husband because he doesn't like pasta. I know he's a little weird. But I am making egg with beans. It's really good. It's very Mexican, very lazy because I cleaned today. And I'm like, ugh, I don't want to make anything so hard. So this is what he's going to eat. Yeah. And I'm making for my kids and my brothers. I'm making pasta. And me, I'll just eat this too. Because, I don't know. I'm not in the mood for pasta today. Who am I? Why would I want pasta? I don't know. But I'm not craving it today. I actually want this. So yeah guys, it's just fried egg, and then once it's like almost done, you throw in a can of beans. I use refried beans today, but usually you use whole beans too, and then you just throw it in there, let it simmer, and then you're good to go. So yeah guys. Guys, when did this boy get so big? Yeah, he's still drinking from a bottle. The milk he always has to drink in a bottle. Anybody else with their kids go through the same thing? Because anything he can drink off a cup, but milk has to be a bottle. But how big is he? Oh, my baby is growing so fast. And then we go in here, and then the other one is taking a nap. Where did the time go? How did they get this big? I miss tiny babies. So sometimes I get like baby fever, but no guys, and I think about it, I'm like, nope, I'm good. I have enough babies. And that's my brother. Say hi. What are you eating, Tiago?
Chicken nuggets.
You like them?
Yes.
What are you eating, Emma?
It's me, Gagus.
Yeah?
I'm eating like it's time. And then it's playtime.
It's not playtime, it's eating time. Sit.
Okay.
With the phone. Always with the phone. Why are you always with the phone? That's my dinner. Now he's gonna film everybody. Here. You're the filmographer. No me la tiras. Hi. You see me?
Yes.
Have a papi.
What are you eating?
I'm eating egg con frijoles and chiles en vinagre.
What are you doing?
Nada.
Nada. Why you playing? Why you playing?
Nothing, baby.
Why you playing? Why you playing?
Nothing, baby. What are you doing?
Now.
Your son's actually recording.
I know. I'm a YouTuber.
Leah's sleepy now. You see him. Oh. Mama, what are you eating?
I'm eating dinner.
Okay. What are you doing?
Nada.
That's cool.
Ven.
You're my best friend.
Let me see.
My phone sausage. Mama,
Yeah?
my phone sausage.
Yep, it is.
Okay.
Let me see it.
What?
Video. Come here.
Okay. The camera.
Hmm?
The camera.
In the camera? He's crazy. You don't get tired, Diego?
No.
This offer won't last long, so don't delay. Here's how to get yours today.
This is what he does during quarantine.
No, Mom.
Why?
That's so tired.
You're so tired? You? Yes?
Why?
I don't know why. The boy eats chicken nuggets, but my princess eats the same as mommy. She's not picky at all. Not like the boy. The boy is so picky. Oh, she's trying. Here, baby. I help you. Good. And then, yeah. Good?
I can't. I have to finish cooking, then I'm gonna take out the trash.
A man who cooks, guys. Steal him up. I'm just kidding.
No.
What are you doing?
No.
Your mom. She just came home.
Mom.
Max, let me finish feeding this girl. I'll be right back. Say cheese. Oh, my kitty pie. How are you getting so big? ¿Más? ¿Más? Alright. Okay guys, so that was my day. I just gave dinner and I'm gonna call it quits here because I am so tired. Right now I'm probably just gonna do nothing, watch some TV. I'm gonna watch DOC with my brothers. You want me to like the show so much, and it's good. I'm not gonna lie, I like it enough. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Oops, sorry. Anyway, look at her. She's ready to go to sleep. Say bye. Say bye, Analia. Uy, uy. She stomped on my laptop. Bye, child. Bye.